Good morning, everybody. Before we get started seeing patients today, I wanted to take just a minute and give you a little quick tour of the dental office here in Ballwin, Missouri. This is Ballwin Family Smiles. This is previously the office of Dr. Kevin Postal. I took over here in, it was May of 2023. So this is our entryway. Here's our waiting room. Lovely waiting room. There's some St. Louis pictures there. Nice, beautiful arch. Some patient information, educational stuff, fun and exciting things. This beautiful flower bouquet is the bouquet that my wife put together. We have an Instagram that she posts a bunch of information and stuff about our flower farm, and of course my YouTube and her Instagram and our website. So this is our waiting room again. It's a beautiful, nice, updated waiting room. We've had a whole lot of fun doing some adventures with the flood that happened about a year ago. Maybe I haven't posted those videos. I'll have to post some. This is walking back into the treatment area. We have a checkout desk here. Here's our front desk area where our receptionists and patient coordinators sit. This little area we call the office. It used to be, the closet. It used to be actually a coat closet. It was converted for a phone, but we haven't really used it much. Maybe we'll put something exciting in there. Here is our CBCT machine, a cone beam, which is a 3D x-ray machine. Allows us to take high resolution 3D x-rays with a very low x-ray exposure. This is back in the office. You can see down the hallway there. We have 6 treatment operatories. Right now, 3 are designated as dental hygiene operatories. The first 2 here, and then operatory number 4. This is our sterilization area. As you know, we are very cautious and pay special attention to making sure all of our instrumentation and everything we use is perfectly clean and sterile. So it's all sterilized autoclave. We have a Statum, which is a fast sterilizing little device there that is awesome. So we have modern updated equipment, very nice, lovely stuff. You see one of my assistants is already set up for a procedure. Looks like a crown cement procedure there. Let's see, more flowers from our flower farm, emerald flowers. Beautiful stuff. Little 3D x-ray, portable x-ray gun, I should say. What else? Is there anything else exciting? We do a lot of Invisalign here. We have a lot of Invisalign patients. Love to do that. As some of you know, I actually started my dental education hoping to become an orthodontist, to specialize in orthodontics, and ultimately 3rd and 4th year dental school I decided not to do that. This room is our surgical suite. You can see our dental implant handpiece, and we have a bunch of models. You've probably seen some of these I've used in my other videos. So we have a little lab here where we have all of our Invisalign cases, a little private workspace back here. There is our break room and the restroom, and then if we need to escape, there's the escape. So this is a dental office. Again, we really enjoy working here. It's a nice place to work. As with any job, any place to work, there are always some fun and exciting things, and then just like work, there's always things that we may not necessarily enjoy. But it is work, and one of the greatest things that I enjoy personally about working here is the opportunity to influence, impact patients' lives. I have a motto that I've used in my public speaking and my YouTube channel for a while: saving the world one tooth at a time, or helping the world one smile at a time. So we really enjoy that, what we do here. It's really focused on patient care, and our desire at Ballwin Family Smiles is to help and support patients get healthier and happier. Thanks for tuning in. Please like and subscribe.